Fancy seeing you here again. Are you trying to film content for your socials but don't really know the do's and don'ts of what to do? Well, I'm here to give you some basic tips on how to film good stuff. Let me just slip into something a bit more comfortable. There we go. That's more like it. Time to make film. Let's go! Well, for these next examples, we're going to use our good pal, Giuseppe.
Roscoe, I said I didn't want to be in...
Action! The first step is to be sure to shoot it in landscape. Never film in portrait. Most social media platforms are formatted in landscape, so if you film it in portrait, you'll end up having irritating black bars on the side of your screen. Now. Next, lighting. Always be sure that you have good lighting on your subject. That way you can see their dazzling faces. Make sure that the lighting is coming from the front and never the back. Otherwise, your subject will be too dark. Next up, be conscious of your backgrounds. Check to make sure that nothing busy or distracting is behind your subject. We don't want the focus anywhere else. Tyler, get out of the shot!
Oh, sorry.
And lastly, make sure that we can hear you. Be aware of your environment and make sure that there are no loud noises going on that might overpower your audio. Giuseppe, say something.
Hello.
Perfect. Now say something! And that does it. With these easy tips, you'll be the next Martin Scorsese in no time. Now, if you excuse me, I have some serious and deeply personal pondering to do regarding my next visual masterpiece. Well, see you next time. The further you understand